Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use hand in Candy Crush Saga. Basically, hand or free switch means switching the candies according to your desired. If you have less moves, then you can use it to save some moves, but you should have the booster available as well. You will get this booster after completing 42 level only. In 43 level you'll get the boosters. This is how you can use it. Over here at the bottom you can see the hand. Tap on it and tap on the jelly or the icon where you want to clear the mode, and then tap on it. Here I'll click on this, then tap on it, then you can see the jellies has been swapped. Likewise, you will like this.